Welcome to Food from My Kitchen, Soup Sunday edition. In today's episode of Keto Cooking, I will show you how to make courgette and onion soup. To get the lowdown on how we do it, keep watching this video for step-by-step instructions. Here are the main ingredients you'll need. 2 medium courgettes, 2 onions, garlic, 1 vegetable stock cube, let's get started. Top and tail the courgettes and chop into chunks. No need to be neat, as it will all be blended. Now grab the onions, peel the skin, then slice. Rest to one side. Then grab about 4 cloves of garlic and chop into chunks. Put a pot on a medium heat and add 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Once hot, add the chopped onions. Sweat the onions in the pot for a few minutes to allow some of the natural sweetness to be released. Then after a few minutes, add in the chopped garlic. Stir through. Now grab your chopped courgette from earlier and add that in also. Then season with 1 tablespoon each of dried basil, dried parsley, and oregano. Then add in the vegetable stock cube and mix thoroughly to combine. Then add approximately 400 milliliters of water and leave to cook on the stove for about 25 minutes or until a knife can pass through the courgette with ease. Once the courgette and onion mixture has finished cooking, leave to completely cool for a few hours before blending. This step is absolutely crucial, as it is dangerous to put hot liquids into a blender that is not designed for them. So once again, please don't blend until it has completely cooled. If it is cool enough to dip your fingers in without burning them, you can proceed to the next step. Once the mixture has completely cooled, empty the pot into another container, as we will need the pot again shortly. Then in batches, pour the mixture into a food processor and blend until smooth. Then empty it back into the pot. Then keep blending batches until you have blended everything. Put your pot of soup back on a medium heat to let it gently warm through, making sure to stir it frequently. Then season to individual taste with salt and black pepper and stir it through to combine. Do not boil. The soup only needs to stay on the heat for about 6 minutes until it is hot, and then you are ready to serve. And there you have it. You've made a classy courgette and onion soup. I hope you've enjoyed watching, and thank you so much for your presence. Be sure to check out another episode of Keto Cooking, and if you want to be notified of the next video upload, like, subscribe, and hit that bell button. Also, here on this channel, Food from My Kitchen, this is a community, so feel free to comment below if you have made this recipe. And do tell if you've done any of it differently. I'd love to hear your suggestions, so keep them coming.